I bought 2 of these pillows from Salvation Army. Yes, the covers are very nice and they look really nice, but they just do not match my decoration. I took one of the covers and I turned it inside out, and I'm going to use it for a pattern. And this is what we're going to go with. And we're a little longer that way, so I'm just going to fold it in half and cut it as I need it. I still need to sew the edge of this pillow, but I wanted to show you the before and after. I really like the after lots, except it is messy. I'm going to have to vacuum. I really like it. This is the way you can upcycle pillows from a tag sale, flea market, resale shop for a little or nothing. I've got the material for like $2 from the Salvation Army, and the pillows I think I paid $4 for. So enjoy my journey.